When claiming your device, or photon, you want to start off by clicking the setup button, which will start a blue blinking light. Once you have completed that step, you're going to want to download the Particle app, either through the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, you open the app and click the plus button in the lower right hand corner. Again, you pressed Set up a photon. As you can see, my photon is listed here, and it's easy. Change my owner. This is basically when you connect your computer to your home network. You have to do the same thing with a photon. We're just using this app that conveniently does it for you. I'm going to type in my Wi-Fi code and hit connect right here. Now that your photon is connecting, it will be flashing green, then blue, then it will have a steady blinking light blue color. As long as it does it fast, I'm going to pause. Alexa, turn on the water.
Okay.
Okay, now that we're connected, you can send commands. Alexa, turn off the water.
Okay.
Okay. In addition to the Particle app, you're going to also want to download the Blink app. Same as the Particle app, you'll have to go to the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, click New Project. Give it a project name. And pick a device. In this case, the particle photon. Once the authentication token is sent to your email, you can use that to add it into the code on the particle web-based IDE, which I will be explaining in a future video. Okay, so the third and final app that you're going to need to download from the App Store is the Amazon Alexa app. Once you've downloaded that, what you're going to want to do is click on this little hamburger up in the upper left-hand corner and select Skills. You can type in the search bar either Particle Smart Home Bridge or Patriot Hobbyist Smart Home Skill. I'm not going to search for them, but I'm going to show you what they look like. One is thanks to this, I think his name was Jared, or yeah. Wish I knew his name. Anyways, so what you're going to want to do is download either the Particle Smart Home Bridge or the Patriot Hobbyist Smart Home Skill. I kind of prefer the Particle Smart Home Bridge, and hopefully we'll get that working. Okay, so now to explain to you the circuit. Solar panel goes to the charge regulator, goes to the battery. 12 to 5 volt voltage reducer powers the photon. Turn that 5 volt back to 12 volt to power the solenoid. You're going to need 3 cords or jumper cables. The VIN goes to positive on the relay. The digital pin goes to the signal, and the ground goes to the negative on the relay. So to explain that, on the breadboard here, VIN, which means 3.3 volts, goes to the positive. Ground goes to the negative. And then your digital pin goes to the signal. You can kind of see them underneath here somehow. Maybe not. Well, anyways, signal, ground, negative. You'll be able to see it once you get your own. Powers the solenoid valve or pump or whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's kind of how it's laid out. What you're going to want to do, here's the voltage reducer. This micro USB would go into the imaginary photon. Actually, you know what? I have one over here too. Here. Okay. Voltage reducer. This goes to the battery, but in between the battery, you're going to have 3 other wires, 4 other wires, 5 other wires. 2 to red, 2 to black. If I can find my other one. Where did the other one go? Darn. There it is. Okay. 2 to black. That easy. So now what you're going to want to do with these, 2 to black, 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'll give you a quick demonstration on how to strip something too, because when you buy these voltage reducers, they're not really stripped well. See, now I got a little bit more to work with. Okay, and we're going to strip the red one. Got a little bit more to work with. Okay? Okay. So, 3 wires together on the red. Twist them together. Okay, come on. It's usually not this hard, but I've already twisted them and now it's kind of fat. So you twist that on, push that on, and you twist until it tightens. Shouldn't take too long. Tighten. There you go. Then you go to the black, and then you twist on these ones. Keep on going. Okay. So there you are. Super easy. Don't get discouraged. You're going to be a pro in a bit. So there we go. So now one of these needs to be connected to this terminal. And crimp it down. Okay. And then crimp it down. Okay, now it's in there snug. Now you take one of these blacks, do the same thing. Okay, now these can connect to the battery. Black. Okay, let's hope that that blue light turns on. Okay, green light. So that's how you connect those. And then you just need one more wire for, where's my tools? Where's my tools? Screwdriver. These precision screwdrivers are pretty nice. Actually, out of the 2 tools you'll need to do to assemble this is just a wire stripper and one of these little small screwdrivers. So the reason why I'm unscrewing it is just because I need one extra wire for the relay. So you take one of these, you put it into, I believe, the middle one, which means it's where the signal comes. So, okay, yeah, there we go. And then this one goes into the normally open, because we have a normally opened valve. Or, I mean, normally closed, sorry. And then you just need 3 jumper wires. 1, 2, I got another one, 3. Okay, these are a little big, but they'll work. You stick in the relay here. Don't need an LED. You go from VIN to positive, which is in the middle. Alright. And then we go from ground to negative on the relay. And I'll make another video, I'm just in a rush. But I might post this one, I don't know. We'll see. I got bigger and better things to do. Like build a rickshaw. I'm building a rickshaw for a guy that wants to go to Colorado and wash people's feet. So we're gonna build him a rickshaw. And then the last one, which is signal, goes to whichever pin you program it into. And I just found out that this one doesn't have an end. None of these have ends. Great, but the last one goes into the whichever pin you want, and then you plug in your relay, and then you take your one last red wire that I took from the other device, and you tie those, doesn't matter which ones, onto the solenoid valve of your choosing. You also could get a few more terminals and do it on one like this. I have a brass one of those too, but honestly, yeah, so that's all it takes. That's wiring it up. I'm probably gonna redo this, but I mean, I'm kind of in a rush. It's spring. Everyone's starting to garden. I want you guys to buy this, and I want you guys to do it yourself. If you don't think this video is good enough, I'll redo it. I'll try. Yeah, this is it. And then you, oh, no, it's not it. This is the biggest key. Get 2 of these terminals, and then you put this onto your solar panel. I had to clip these. These used to have clips, so I cut them off, stripped it like I did earlier, and then put these on there. And one key when you do that is the white wire is the one that goes to red. So then you put this one onto the charge regulator. These terminals, they're called spade terminals. You put them onto the charge regulator and then connect that to the battery, and then you connect these two on top of here. So yeah, that's it. Get building. Make your rain barrel automated somehow, so that you can grow a garden and do it with your phone. Okay.